Milwaukee 106-piece, quarter-inch and 3/8-inch metric and SAE ratchet and socket set review. Real garage results. Ever lose 10 minutes just looking for the right socket? You know it's in the pile somewhere, but the sizes blur together and the job stalls. I once had a half-loosened bolt under the hood and realized the deep metric socket I needed wasn't in the tray I grabbed. That small delay turns into quiet frustration fast. And here's the thing, it's not just about missing tools, it's about lost momentum. When your setup feels chaotic, your focus drifts, and even simple repairs feel heavier than they should. That Sunday night garage project suddenly carries a little dread. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Tell me you've been there at least once. The longer that pattern repeats, the more it chips away at your confidence. You start second-guessing whether you actually have the right sizes. There's a subtle pressure when you're digging through mismatched trays while a vehicle sits apart in front of you. I tried smaller kits, then mixed in random extras, and ended up with overlap, gaps, and more clutter. It creates mental fog. You spend more time organizing than turning wrenches. And when you're working in tight spaces, a bulky ratchet with a wide swing arc only adds to the tension. The problem isn't effort, it's fragmentation. You want coverage, clarity, and control in one place without building a custom system piece by piece. There has to be a smarter way to keep everything compact and still ready for real automotive work. Then everything changed when I found the Milwaukee 106-piece 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch metric and SAE ratchet and socket set with pack-out low-profile organizer. Don't just pick any mechanic socket set. Make sure it has a 90-tooth ratchet with a slim profile, so you never suffer cramped swing angles in tight engine bays again. This set brings both 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch drive metric and SAE coverage into one low-profile pack-out case. The 4 flat socket sides help prevent rolling and allow wrench use for extra leverage. Let me explain. The combination of organized trays and a clear lid means you see what you have instantly. And if you already use pack-out, it locks right into your stack without redesigning your storage. In daily use, the benefits feel practical, not flashy. The 90-tooth ratchets with a 4-degree arc swing genuinely help when you're wedged between hoses or working around suspension components. The stamped sizes on the socket flats reduce the usual squinting and guesswork. A professional mechanic on YouTube called it his go-to daily kit and said he would buy it again after long-term use. Retail summaries highlight the 4-flat design for grip and anti-roll, and that small detail actually matters when sockets aren't sliding off the bench. One DIY user mentioned how the pack-out low-profile organizer kept everything secure in a truck bed without rattling loose. Now, it's not perfect. It doesn't include every specialty size you might ever need. But for most automotive and mechanical tasks, the coverage is broad and balanced. Over time, you move faster because you trust the layout. If you had to choose, would you rather carry 3 small kits or one organized system? At its core, this is about fewer interruptions and smoother repairs. The Milwaukee 106-piece, 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch metric and SAE ratchet and socket set with pack-out low-profile organizer brings coverage, compact storage, and tight space control into one modular case. Thousands of mechanics and serious DIYers already rely on pack-out integrated systems for everyday work, and results may vary depending on your projects. If you want an organized, expandable foundation instead of scattered trays, check the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Explore it at your own pace. You deserve tools that keep up with you.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.